With laughter and thrills, we'll seize the day. Midday coffee break, just a moment to pause. With views so stunning, we give our applause. We're chasing trails in the Spanish sun. Every twist and turn, we're having fun. Through mountains and forests, feeling so free. Dirt bike adventure, just you and me. With every single mile, we conquer our fears. The smell of the earth, it's music to our ears. No place for regrets, just laughter and glee. This ultimate journey, it's where we want to be. So take a deep breath, feel the wild embrace. On this ultimate ride, we'll find our place. As we return to base, hearts racing with pride, with stories to share and memories wide. Around 2:30, we gather for a feast. Burgers and hot dogs, let's celebrate the beast. Reflect